In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your payment gateway, specifically Stripe and PayPal, to the Hostinger Horizons web app. Integrating a payment gateway is a crucial step for any online business, allowing you to efficiently handle transactions and offer a seamless payment experience for your users. Let's dive into the process, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. First, head over to Hostinger's homepage. You'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. Once there, navigate to the section for your websites. This is where you can make necessary modifications to your web app settings. Look for an option labeled Edit Website and give it a click. This will take you into the editor environment where you can manage the different aspects of your site. After accessing the editor, you should see an assortment of tools and widgets that can be added to your site. Our next step is to find and select the option called Add Shopping Cart. This feature is essential as it lays the groundwork for including various e-commerce functionalities on your site, bringing you a step closer to enabling smooth transactions. Following this, you need to focus on adding a payment method. Once you've accessed the cart, look for the Add a Payment Method option. Clicking on this will present you with several choices for payment integrations, including popular ones like Stripe and PayPal. While both options are solid depending on your business needs and location, you might prefer one over the other, or perhaps you want to offer both to give your customers more flexibility. Let's break it down a bit further. After selecting to add a payment method, a highlight option should appear. This essentially marks sections where the payment method can be displayed or highlighted. It's a good idea to set this up so users can easily find it during the checkout process or when browsing your products. If you're considering offering manual payment methods as well, you'll find an option for that. Simply click on Manual Payment to add options for direct bank transfers, cash on delivery, or any other offline payment mode you wish to offer. It provides additional convenience for customers who may not have access to digital payment tools. As you proceed through these steps, take your time to configure all settings according to your business requirements. Make sure to test the functionality thoroughly before going live. This ensures everything runs smoothly and you're ready to process real transactions. By following these steps, you're successfully setting up your payment gateway on Hostinger. Keep in mind that each step builds on the previous one, so be methodical and patient. If you encounter any challenges, Hostinger's support team is just a click away, ready to assist. Thank you for watching, and here's to a seamless e-commerce venture.